Vasishteshwarar temple is dedicated to Lord Vasishteshwarar and dates from the 12th century AD and was built by the Cholas. It is located in Tittai, Tanjavur. The presiding deity is Swayambhudeshwarar and the goddess Ulaganayagi. As the main deity is a Swayambhu Lingam, he got the name Swayambhudeshwarar. The main deity is also called as Vasishteshwarar as he was worshipped here by Saint Vasishtrar and one of the shrines of the 275 Padalpetra Sthalams. Shiva Sthalams glorified in the early medieval Thevaram poems by Tamil Saivite Nayanas, Thirugnana Sabandar and Thirunavukarsar. It is believed that a drop of water falls on the Shivalinga every 24 minutes from the ceiling because of the presence of a very special stone called Chandrakan kept on the roof, which absorbs moisture from the surrounding air and converts into a drop of water. This temple attracts huge crowds because of the above stone as well the presence of the temple for Raja Dakshinamurti. Tittai, the name of the village, means Tittu in Tamil, a mount. When the whole world was surrounded by water because of Pralayam, Brahma and Vishnu worshipped the Lord Maheshwara for protection. After wandering much for a safe place, they found this only mount which did not drown in the Pralaya waters, where there was a Shivalingam. They performed puja to the lingam and worshipped Lord Shiva, who appeared before them and delegated their duties of creation and protection. It is believed that this is the only place which was not destroyed even during Pralayam. The temple is built using the stone. Not only for the main deities but also all other sannidhis are constructed using stones right from floors, pillars, walls and roof. A unique feature of this temple is a drop of water falls on the lingam exactly every 24 minutes from the roof. But for a small hole, there is no source of water or anything on the Vimana of the main deity. Two stones, Suryagantakal and Chandragantakal, which are placed at strategic points above the Vimana, are the reasons for the droplets of water which falls on the deity. These two stones absorb moisture from the atmosphere, convert into one water droplet, performing a natural abhishekam to the deity every 24 minutes, be it the day or night. The temple tank situated opposite the temple is called Chakra Tirtham, which is believed that it was created by the chakra from the hands of Mahavishnu.